This is the definitive, executive-level masterclass in applied behavioral science and conversion rate optimization CRO, specifically engineered for Chief Marketing Officers, CMOs, Senior Growth Leads, Digital Strategy Directors, and high-level performance marketing teams. This comprehensive, multi-module tutorial provides the precise strategic and tactical blueprint for building, deploying, and continually optimizing hyper-converting landing page funnels that systematically eliminate friction, exploit proven sales psychology triggers, and maximize customer lifetime value (CLV). Your mission is to move beyond conventional marketing tactics to apply the principles of behavioral economics and cognitive neuroscience to your digital assets. We will focus on designing unassailable conversion architectures that compel immediate action, significantly reducing customer acquisition cost (CAC) and delivering verified exponential return on investment (ROI). This is the required framework for achieving genuine market share acquisition and establishing an undisputed digital authority in the hyper-competitive SaaS, fintech, lead generation, and e-commerce sectors. Module 1. Landing Page Architecture, the science of frictionless conversion design and cognitive load management. The landing page is not a pamphlet. It is a meticulously engineered psychological pathway designed to manage and reduce cognitive load. This module covers the advanced principles of design and structure that directly influence visitor behavior and purchase intent. Anatomy of a hyper-conversion page and semantic clarity. Master the 7 non-negotiable elements of a conversion-optimized landing page, from the compelling above-the-fold value proposition to the strategic placement of social proof mechanisms and risk reversal statements. We detail the critical use of semantic clarity in copywriting to ensure the visitor's internal dialogue is immediately aligned with the offer's solution. Learn proprietary frameworks for designing pages that satisfy the AIDA model: attention, interest, desire, action, while simultaneously addressing the visitor's core inhibition, fears, and perceived anxiety. This includes the critical use of F-pattern and Z-pattern layouts, optimizing the visual hierarchy to focus the visitor's attention exclusively on the primary call to action, CTA. We explore how to deploy gaze cueing using subtle visual indicators to direct the user toward the conversion goal, leveraging innate human psychological responses. Form optimization, micro-commitments, and information foraging theory eliminate the primary cause of abandonment, complex forms. We will implement progressive profiling techniques to collect data sequentially, using the psychological principle of micro-commitments, such as gathering an email before asking for a phone number, to drastically increase completion rates for high-quality lead generation. This section explores information foraging theory, teaching you how to design information scent and visual cues that naturally guide the visitor through the page, ensuring they perceive the offer as the highest value option available, thereby neutralizing competitive threats. We also cover gamification of conversion elements, using progress bars and instant small rewards to maintain visitor motivation and decrease perceived effort. Mobile-first CRO, neuroplasticity, and speed index optimization. Given the dominance of mobile traffic, we will architect all funnels using a strict mobile-first conversion rate optimization approach. This includes advanced techniques for managing core web vitals, focusing on largest contentful paint (LCP) and first input delay (FID) to achieve a near-instantaneous load time. Learn how minute delays in speed index optimization psychologically trigger abandonment, the temporal discounting effect, and how to deploy modern image compression and asset loading strategies to maintain peak performance across all devices. We also introduce the concept of neuroplasticity in marketing, designing micro-interactions and visual cues that gently train the user's subconscious mind to associate your brand with speed and instant reward, reinforcing positive conversion habits. Module 2, Sales Psychology and Neuro-Marketing Triggers, Compelling Visitor Behavior and Ethical Persuasion. This module delves into the deep-seated psychological triggers, innate biases, and emotional levers that, when ethically applied, compel immediate action and significantly boost conversion volume. Cialdini's Principles of Persuasion and Ethical Scarcity Deployment. We will systematically deploy the 6 principles of influence from Dr. Robert Cialdini: reciprocity, commitment and consistency, social proof, authority, liking, and scarcity. Learn the correct ethical application of scarcity and urgency mechanisms to overcome consumer procrastination, using inventory counters and time-bound offer displays to create a powerful sense of loss aversion and the endowment effect. We detail the advanced use of authority bias by strategically leveraging certifications, high-profile media mentions, and third-party validation to instantly build trust and credibility. We also cover consensus heuristics, using visible peer activity and high-volume testimonials to leverage the innate human desire to follow the crowd. Cognitive biases, anchoring, and advanced framing effects. Master the deployment of cognitive biases in pricing, packaging, and offer presentation. This includes precise application of the anchoring effect by presenting a strategically high, detailed reference price, the decoy price, before revealing the actual offer, making the final price appear substantially more attractive through perceptual contrast. We will utilize sophisticated framing effects to position the product not in terms of abstract features, but in terms of the solved problem and the immediate future state benefit gained, speaking directly to the visitor's emotional core and the deeply felt pain point the solution addresses. Furthermore, explore the decoy effect in multi-tier pricing strategies to intentionally funnel the majority of users toward the most profitable offering, the target package. Emotional triggers, neuroscience, and implicit association. We move into advanced neuromarketing tactics, studying how specific language patterns and visual cues trigger emotional responses, fear of missing out, excitement, relief, and validation that bypass purely rational consideration. Learn to write copy that maximizes the use of future pacing, describing the user's positive life after the purchase, and directly addresses the confirmation bias of the target audience. This section emphasizes the shift from explaining what a product is to demonstrating what it solves for the user's emotional and professional well-being, driving high-intent, committed conversions. We will also introduce the power of implicit association testing to select colors, fonts, and imagery that subconsciously align with the desired brand attributes, fostering immediate, non-conscious trust. Module 3. Advanced A/B testing, statistical rigor, and iterative optimization frameworks for CRO dominance. Conversion success is measured not by intuition, but by unassailable statistical data, demanding advanced statistical modeling and scientific discipline. This module provides the comprehensive framework for running high-impact experiments and achieving verifiable, repeatable results. Hypothesis-driven A/B testing and IC prioritization. We establish a robust, continuous hypothesis-driven testing framework that moves beyond simple button color changes to testing deep behavioral shifts. Learn to prioritize experiments based on potential impact, confidence, and ease, using the Advanced ICE score or PI framework to ensure the fastest path to significant, sustainable conversion uplift. This involves learning to test entire funnel sequences, major design paradigm shifts, and profound psychological triggers, ensuring your testing bandwidth is used on high-leverage activities that impact net profit. We introduce the concept of rapid experimentation loops, minimizing the time between hypothesis generation and deployment of the winning variant. Statistical significance, advanced statistical modeling, and data validation. Master the principles of statistical rigor required to validate test results and prevent expensive errors. We will cover how to correctly calculate required sample size, determine appropriate confidence levels, and avoid the critical error of stopping a test prematurely, the p-value misinterpretation fallacy. This section ensures every conversion decision is grounded in verifiable data, removing the guesswork that destroys profit. We will detail methods for data validation using advanced analytics tools and cross-platform tracking to ensure absolute fidelity in your conversion metrics and revenue attribution. Learn to apply Bayesian statistics to testing to allow for more flexible and faster conclusion times compared to traditional frequentist methods. Full funnel multivariate, sequential testing, and personalization move beyond simple A/B tests to implement multivariate testing (MVT) for simultaneous optimization of 3 or more variables on a single-page headline, image, call to action, pricing anchor. Furthermore, we detail sequential testing frameworks, where the proven winning elements of one test inform the starting point of the next, creating a continuous, self-improving loop of conversion mastery across the entire marketing funnel. Finally, we explore advanced personalization and dynamic content insertion based on traffic source and user demographics using real-time data to serve the psychologically optimal landing page variant to every single visitor, leading to unparalleled conversion efficiency and sustained CRO dominance.